All right, so we have another word problem here. Let's look at it. Michael had a bag of 217 marbles. He gave Danny 39 marbles. What does that look like to you in your brains? He gave Danny 39 marbles. That's right, it's minus. We're going to minus in this story. How many marbles are still in Michael's bag? Okay, you guys are right. We are going to minus because it says he gave Danny 39 marbles. How many does he have now? All right, so one way that we can solve this would be, again, to build base 10 blocks. We are going to build the number 217. If you decompose the number 217, there are 200s, 110s, and 7 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so since we are going to take away base 10 blocks, we are not going to add any more on. So let's see how we're going to take away. We are going to take 217, and from that, we're going to take away 39. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to the ones place. Do I have enough? Let's line this up. Do I have 9 units to give away, to take away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, I don't have enough to take away 9, but I only have 7. Well, guess what? We're going to have to regroup. To do that, I can only go next door to the 10th place. I cannot go to the 100th place. I can only go one place over, which is the 10th place. And I see that there are 10 units next door. So I'm going to regroup. I'm going to take this one rod. Did you see that? Now, do you think we have enough? Okay. If you look over here, we don't have any more rods because the only rod that we had broken up, regrouped, and brought over to the ones place. All right. Now it looks like we can take away. So let's start taking away. Do you remember how many ones we're going to take away? Go back and look at the number. 39. Which of those two digits, if you were to decompose the number 39, 39 is made up of 3 10s and 9 ones. So we're going to take away, that's not 9, this is 9, 9 ones. All right, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's see, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 ones left. Okay, now we're not done because we still have to take away 3 10s. Let's go to the 10s place. Are there any 10s for us to take away? Nope. So guess what? We're going to have to go right next door. Do they have 3 10s? Yeah, they do. So let's just take one. We can't take more than one. Now do you think we have enough? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we do. We're going to take away 3 10s. And then I think that's it. There are no 100 to take away. So let's count up how many we have left. We have 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178. Let's see if we did it. And that is it.